What's up, guys? Coming up on my mailbox. Gonna do a little how-to tutorial for everybody. Sorry, I'm in a manual, so I gotta switch hands with the camera and then shift gears and make sure I don't run over fucking certain things. But anyway, this is gonna be the E46 how-to tutorial for how to activate your follow me home lights. Basically, there's tutorials out there for pretty much from the E36. It pretty much just skips the E46. So you pulled up at home, let's just say that's your front door there, even though that's my front door over there, and you don't have any type of outdoor lighting. Well, this is what this is for. As you can see, this is an E46. It's a little dirty right now, but anyway, what you want to do, it's real simple, guys. It's real simple. You just turn the car off and turn your lights off, open the door. Before you get out, though, pull your your indicator light right here towards you once. And there you go. See how long this stay on. It may be 30 seconds by default. And I did lock it. Yep. It says about 30 seconds. But that's all you gotta do, guys.